Welcome to my channel. Today is April 27, 2025. We're having a Cambodian New Year in San Diego.
Again.
Honey, last week we were in Lake Elsinore.
Yeah.
Today is in
Again,
San
we're
Diego.
back. Alright, buddy.
Have it again?
Oh, little uncle right there. Happy New Year.
Hey, I think my aunt used to have
Oh.
the nut.
Good morning.
What is it?
So you can put it into the sand mound up there.
Fan mount, what do you mean? For this thing?
Yeah, just put it in there.
So how much is it?
It's free.
Oh, it's free?
Yes.
We'll take one then.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, you can donate.
Oh,
You
sand
want to donate,
mount.
you can, but it's not required.
Oh yeah, we require it.
Welcome.
I put it.
Okay, you got it?
Thank you.
Woohoo! Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Hey, look at how neat it is.
Oh, yeah, we should keep the flag.
Yeah. They make sand, I mean, look. Cambodia sand castle. What happened to this one? Okay. Well, I just swing mine around. Okay. Let's walk around. We're early in the morning. It's like what, 10 a.m. and it's cloudy. When we go up here, it's like gonna rain. Okay, let's smile, honey. Honey, say cheese.
Hello.
All right, one more.
Hello.
Oh, look.
បាទសូមជម្រាបសួរសូមជម្រាបជូនដល់បងប្អូនផងដែលមានចង្ហាន់ឬក៏មានប្រយោជន៍បំកូនសូមអញ្ជើញចូលនឹងប្រគិនផងដើម្បីបងកូនជូនពោះលោកគ្រប់គ្នាដែរដូចតែក្បាត់នឹងចាប់ដើមនិមន្តប្រសំបានកូនឡើងហើយដល់សូមមេត្តាអញ្ជើញ
Apple. Oh, เป็นហុងជ័យទៀតណា
Hello បាទនេះ
Yeah.
បាទដូច្នោះហើយក៏សូមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាតាំងចិត្តដើម្បីបង្កចែកជូនទៅដល់ជីដូនជាតាម៉ាកុងដែលគាត់បានលាចាកលោកនេះទៅកាន់លោកខាងមុខហើយក៏សូមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាក្រាបថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះសង្ឃជាមួយយើងខ្ញុំដូចតទៅ
Live band. Ooh, they got live band today too, but it's too early for now.
Cambodian outfit over there.
Plan and little vendor booth right there. Nè lụa. She wanna buy some strong.
Hello បាទសូមជម្រាបជូនដំណឹងដល់ពុទ្ធបរិស័ទយើងដែរថាពេលដែលគុណ បាទសូមអញ្ជើញបងប្អូនពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាតែម្ដងបាទមិនមែនថាពួកខាង volunteer ឬក៏មិន volunteer ទេញាតិកិត្តិយសក៏អាចចូលថតរូបបានទាំងអស់គ្នាផងដែរទុកជាអនុស្សាវរីយ៍នៅលើទីផករបស់យើងមិនមែនតែពួកខ្ញុំទេបាទបងប្អូនដែលនៅទីនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចចូលមកថតរូបទាំងអស់គ្នាទុកជាអនុស្សាវរីយ៍ផងដែរបាទសូមអញ្ជើញ ជួយសង្សារខ្ញុំបន្តិចមក
គេលើផ្លូវឥឡូវហ្នឹង
Shave ice อันนี้โอ้ bubble waffle bubble waffle my food โอ้แต่ตักเรียนนะเห็นนะว้าตะโกจิกะจมูกใบ yeah papaya salad Thai boat noodle นมซอยอันนี้ taste of Lao mayo or hot papaya salad ปักละฮองตะโกจิกะ this one is sugar cane ตักเปา